Even if you don't have a whiteboard, blackboard, or flip chart handy, you can still test ShareTheBoard. Here are 2 suggestions for you. First, if you have an external camera, you can easily test ShareTheBoard just by pointing it at your desk and using a notebook or even a piece of paper. Just consider taping it down so it stays put. After you start your session, the app will identify the sheet as the surface you'd like to share. If it doesn't, or if you're unhappy with the selection, you can always adjust it manually. If your external camera is on top of your computer or monitor, you may need to take advantage of the image flipping options to get the correct orientation. Whichever option you choose, after setup, simply write on your surface like you normally would. If you're testing with a friend, connect with them on your favorite video conferencing app, then use the screen share feature to show the tab running ShareTheBoard. Your friend can also activate board view at any time by going to this unique session URL. You can always make it easier for them and paste it into the chat. This will give them the ability to add content directly to your selected surface. You'll be able to see your friend's contributions on your screen in real time. If you only have a built-in laptop camera, consider taking that sheet of paper and just sticking it to the wall. After that, the process is the same as if you were testing on a whiteboard.